What does pa mean in this sentence? The baby bed was all so small that it fit my palm.
Okay.
Palm. Now, a type of tree that grows in warm places. Palm. Now, the first.
Flat. No. Flat area. You see, there's a flat area. Flat shoe. Okay. What's there?
Carnival.
Good.
Carnival.
Festival.
Good.
The town's
Annual 4th
of July carnival.
Good.
Carnival.
Flat.
Flat.
Okay, here is a
Having a smooth
level
or
even
surface.
Okay, not having curves or bumps. Okay.
Flat ground.
Okay.
Flat.
Okay, flat ground. Having a surface without bends, breaks. Okay. Prefer
riding her bike on a flat road.
Okay, flat road. Okay, palm on the
flat part on the inside of the hand.
Okay, which one?
This.
Let's read it. Okay.
The baby who was so small.
No, let's do that. Continue. The baby bird.
The baby bird
was so small.
Was so small that it fit in my palm.
Okay, what's that?
Flat.
Can spell.
F-L-A-T, flat. Flat ground. A flat wall.
Palm.
Okay, palm. Okay.
The baby bird was so small that it fit in my palm.
Which one?
This one.
Okay.
7.
Okay. Show me your palm. Yeah, that's okay. Let's read it.
Chip, sharp,
deep.
Trip.
Okay, deep.
Down,
sauce.
Sauce.
Okay, sauce, deep sauce. Yeah, that's sauce. What's that?
Palm.
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 Palm. Palm.
Okay.
Sauce.
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 Sauce. Okay. Deep noun.
A sauce to go with foods like chips or vegetables.
Okay. Sauce. Okay, sauce.
Chip, dip, verb to lower the and then raise again.
Okay, deep. Okay.
What does dip mean in this sentence?
Hannah.
Hannah discovered this.
I don't see D here. Why do you see D? What's the
Serve.
Hannah?
Served potato chips and onion dip at her party.
Okay, which one? Yeah,
This
okay.
one.
Yeah.
Summit.
Okay, Rita.
What does felt me left me in this sentence? Felt left.
Why do you say it's felt? No, why do you say it? That's felt. Okay. The past tense of feel. Felt. Okay. Look, it's very different. Louder.
Felt left adjective, the opposite
Good.
of right.
Okay, which side is your left side? Which side? Yeah, that's left side.
Left verb went away.
Okay. I don't know. Anisha, what's that? I don't know what is that. I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce it.
pronouncenames.com. Elijah,
Elijah.
Elijah,
Elisha.
Elijah,
Elisha. Elisha smiled and waved goodbye as the train left the station.
Okay, which one?
This one.
Okay. Okay. And then we check these two. What's that?
Train.
You see, that's a T here. Train. Okay. Submit.
Summit.
Yeah.
Summit. What does that mean?
Deck.
Deck me and this sentence. Deck now a park of playing cards.
Okay, a deck of cards. What's one? Deck. Okay.
Deck now on a floor made of wood, usually outside.
You see, sometimes you go to the deck, right?
The most common deck of cards today
Contains.
contains 52 playing cards.
Okay, which one?
This one.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah. What does fair
mean in this sentence? Fair now a carnival.
good?
Fair adjective treating people equally.
Good.
Mr.
Awesome.
Wilson is a fair business person
Good.
who teaches treats his customers well.
Okay. Which one?
This one.
Yeah.
Summit.
What does
Park mean in this sentence? Park verb to leave a bike or car in a place. Now, park now, a playground, a place for enjoying nature.
okay?
If you park the car wherever the sidewalk is printed red, you
will
get a ticket.
Okay, which one? Yeah.
This one.
Okay.
Summit.
Good. What does
Cup.
crop? Okay. What's that?
Sauce.
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 Yeah, we use the soy sauce. Right? Okay, then what's that word?
Crop.
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 Best.
CROP. Crop.
Okay. Okay. What does
Crop mean in this sentence? Crop verb to cut off a part of something. Crop now a plant that is growing for
grown?
food.
Okay.
Corn is the most important crop grow in the United States.
Okay, which one?
This one. Summit.
Okay. Okay. Never. Okay. Never. What's that?
Crop.
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 Crop. Crop.
Crop.
Crop.
Okay. Let's stop here. Okay. Let's stop